Okay, now let us discuss a question with respect to the general equation of a conic section. The question says that the equation of the directrix of the parabola, which is being represented by 25 into x minus 2 whole square plus y plus 5 whole square is equal to 3x plus 4y minus 1 whole square is. Now see, when we were discussing the general equation of a conic, what did we say? That its equation is given by x minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square is equal to e square into ax plus by plus c divided by root of a square plus b square whole square. This was the general equation of a conic. Now for a parabola, what is that additional condition? For a parabola, the value of e is 1. So if e is 1, e square will also be equal to 1. So I can basically do what? I can remove this e square. Okay, I can remove this e square because the value of e square is 1. So if it does not matter whether you write 1 or you don't write 1. So for a parabola, this will be the general equation of the conic. Now in this case, what will I try to do basically in this question is, I will try to rephrase this equation in this form. So I should take out this 25 and bring it over here in the numerator. So what will I get? I will get x minus 2 whole square plus y plus 5 whole square is equal to 1 by 25 into 3x plus 4y minus 1 whole square. Why did I do this? Because in the general equation there is no coefficient for the left hand part. Now in general equation, in over here you have the equation of the directrix, which is ax plus by plus c, and in the denominator you have the square root of a square plus b square. So over here also what should I do? I should divide by root of 3 square plus 4 square. But because I am dividing by root of 3 square plus 4 square, I will have to multiply also with the square root of 3 square plus 4 square. What is 3 square plus 4 square? 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. So 16 plus 9 will give me 25. So this will become what? And also whole square of this. So whole square of this also. Okay. So this will give me what? X minus 2 whole square plus y plus 5 whole square is equal to 1 by 25 into 3x plus 4y minus 1 whole square divided by 3 square plus 4 square will give me root 25. Root 25 whole square will give me 25 into 25. So this will cancel this out and you will get the general equation of a parabola. Okay. Now if you compare this equation to this equation, what can you say? We discussed in the general equation of a conic that alpha and beta are what? Alpha and beta are the points of the focus. These are the coordinates of the focus. And what is ax plus by plus c? Ax plus by plus c, if you remember, was the equation of the directrix. So over here, what is the value of alpha? If you compare this to this, then you can see that x minus alpha is basically equal to x minus 2 in this case. So the value of alpha is 2. And what is the value of beta? Similarly, you can say that the value of beta is minus 5. So what is the focus over here? The focus of this parabola is 2 comma minus 5. And what about the equation of directrix? The equation of directrix is basically the numerator part of the right hand side. So what is the numerator part of the right hand side? It is 3x plus 4y minus 1. So option number B will be correct. This will be the equation of the directrix of the parabola, which is 3x plus 4y minus 1 is equal to 0.